You know why you here, so tuck your top testers because we finna get right into the video.
He needs some milk.
So still Stephanie been through it, but we're gonna bring her back to life. We're gonna start by giving her a little color bump. So I'm mixing up Clairol Nice and Easy, Intensity, Extra Light Cool Blonde to just give those highlights a nice pop. Be sure to give it a good shake because I gave this one a lazy shake and well, the bottle was oozing the whole video. And next, I mixed up 4 dark brown. And this is the color that most Indian hair weaves natural color is. When your weave gets frayed ends like stale Stephanie over here, a quick trim and a nice darker color will take good care of that. So here I'm just separating the lighter and darker sections because when I initially highlighted this hair, I did it really disorganized. I always measure out my pieces of aluminum to be little rectangles about 75% of the length of the hair I'm coloring. And now I'm going in with my 10C on the lighter sections and just massaging that color in. Now I'm going in with the dark brown number 4, making sure I get full coverage on the roots. I went ahead and rinsed the lighter color out and then I finished coloring the dark brown in the full length of the hair, and I paid special attention to them nasty ends right there. That's gross. So after I dyed the hair, I went ahead and rinsed out the color when it was time. Then I just shampooed it with some really cheap shampoo. I always wash my weaves with really cheap shampoo. Like, I'm not gonna name no names because some might get offended if I call that shampoo cheap. But you know what I'm talking about, some really cheap shampoo that like smells popping, because I don't really like the product residue that expensive high quality shampoos leave on your hair to like condition and moisturize your hair. I only condition it with the box conditioner, the conditioner that came with the hair dye box, because I knew I'm gonna do a deep conditioning because I'm trying to bring this hair back, honeys. And that's what I did. After I shampooed the hair, I went ahead and conditioned it with some silicone mix. I used the bamboo one because I prefer it. The smell is so much better. I normally would do a and this is what most people do, they'll coat the hair in a silicone mix, bag it up and let it sit overnight. I let mine sit over the heater and like get nice and warm and toasty, but I found a method that works so much better, so much faster, and it's a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I do that, and this is what's really gonna bring your hair to life, hunty. All of my weaves at some point in their lifetime is getting treated with this silicone mix. I don't care how good you are. I do this even on my Kendra's hair, okay? So the hair is washed, shampooed. I'm just brushing it out. I'm going in with my silicone mix, baby. Some people like to use gloves. I really don't see the point. It doesn't do anything to my fingers. So yeah, no gloves. A little bit does go a long way with this stuff, but you know, I gotta be extra, so I'm globbing it in. I'm making sure it's moisturized. I'm massaging it in. Every inch gotta be covered. I'm scrunching the hair now because guess what? We about to steam this hair. I want to make sure this hair holds a curl pattern through the steaming process. I'm using my little steamer, Go Mini. Pretty sure I picked it up from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is gonna be the saving grace for your funky stale wigs. The silicone mix is going to get locked in with the heat and moisture from the steamer. You can go ahead and steam it for up to 20 to 30 minutes, paying special attention to those funky areas like the nape of the neck and the ends. Once that's done, you're going to let it sit and cool on its own. Do not touch it, do not cover it. After the wig is cooled off, you go ahead and wash the mix out and style your hair. Your hair is going to be silky and lustrous. I wish you the best of luck providing one of your stale Stephanies at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep getting into these beauty tools, tips, and secrets to keep us all slayed, laid, and poppin'.